New tonight, prosecutors are using a new state law to crack down on fentanyl.
A Valley woman is the first to be charged with a drug deal that killed someone with a lethal dose of fentanyl. Zack Prelutsky live now to explain how this new law works.
Well, Jared and Nicole, this new sale of lethal fentanyl charge was part of the Secure the Border Act that passed with more than 60% of the vote back in November. The DEA reports fentanyl made in Mexico is the main driver of this fentanyl crisis. Much of that drug makes its way into our country through our state. And today, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office charged Cruzita Leon with the sale of lethal fentanyl. Prosecutors say they found text messages between Leon and 49-year-old Todd Gordon setting up a drug deal and suggestions on how to take the drug in powder form. Gordon died days later. Now, under this new law, anyone 18 and older can be charged if that person knows the drug they're selling has fentanyl in it and that fentanyl kills someone. But the defendant can avoid prosecution if they show the fentanyl was manufactured in the U.S. or brought to the country legally. That point is where criminal defense attorney Russ Richelsoph says this law may run into a bit of a constitutional problem.
I understand the political reason for why this bill is worded the way it is. And I know that securing the border is a very important issue for many voters. But from a practical standpoint, I question why it matters where the fentanyl came from. The fact that this statute creates this affirmative defense based off where the fentanyl came from creates the problems with the statute.
Now, in addition to that sale of lethal fentanyl, Leon is also being charged with manslaughter and other felony drug charges in Gordon's death. Now, this sale of lethal fentanyl is a Class 2 felony here in Arizona, but the sentencing guidelines are actually increased by 5 years compared to more standard Class 2 felonies, meaning someone convicted could be sentenced somewhere between 8 and 20.5 years in most cases. For now, reporting in the newsroom, Zack Prelutsky for Arizona's Family.
Zack, thanks.